This is a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Mwimuto near the new Kitisuru area. Look at this apartment, meticulous. I like the LED lights and the plants outside every floor. Look at that electronic bell. This apartment is very well built with amazing attention to details. Look at the consistency of the tiles. When you get into the apartment, you're welcomed by this big window that allows for a ton of natural light into the apartment, and of course, additional allowance for that through the door to the balcony and the small window next to it. Directly ahead, you have the kitchen pass-through window, and this other side you can see the light fixtures. I really like the sconce lights because they match the LED lights on the ceiling, allowing you to have maximum brightness in the room and also regulate the brightness that you want. Of course, this other side is the door to the powder room. And also you have a good number of sockets for your devices. Let me take you to the balcony. When you open the door outside the living room, it's going to lead you to your first balcony. The house has 2 balconies, the one for the living room and the one for the kitchen. So you can chill here and other people chilling in the kitchen balcony doing their thing. Talking about kitchen, let me now take you to your kitchen for you to see this amazing kitchen. Look at the kitchen. I like the white color theme and the amazing tiles. The kitchen tiles, which are amazing on the wall and also on the finishing, as you can see next to cabinetry. Of course, the consistency of the tiles is like in the living room, and also the kitchen has allowance for natural light to get in. Look at this double sink with this tap, which also looks elegant. Now let's look at these amazing kitchen tiles. Guys, do you like the colors? Comment down below. Here is the space for your cooker. Just need to plug it in. And of course, when you turn this other side, let me open for you the kitchen pass-through window. This other side, you can see the cabinetry, very well done. Let's open them and see. The exterior is well done, and also the interior is well done. Very clean. The cabinetry, the drawers are very clean, and there is ample space for you to store your items in this 2-bedroom apartment. Let me now take you out for you to see the kitchen balcony. Of course, the kitchen balcony opens to the outside. Area of washing, whether you want to wash something on the sink or even to fix your washing machine. Okay? You have all that there. And with these, let me now take you to the powder room. Look at the powder room. Amazing mirror, your mains for electricity, the meticulous sockets, and of course, you have your 2 rooms. This here is the master ensuite, and then the other room is the other side. I really like this minimal vanity. Okay, let's look at the common bathroom. Guys, look at those tiles in the bathroom. Amazing tiles all around, and of course you have your toilet there, and then you have your shower head right ahead with an allowance for you to even divide the toilet and the bathroom side. Interestingly, this is the only bathroom I've seen which has 2 windows, right to the right and to the left. Look at that, guys. Quite a thing, right? Now from the bathroom, this is your view back to the vanity. Let's look at the first bedroom. We're in the first bedroom. Let me turn for you to see. This bedroom here also has a big window to allow light. And of course, consistency of the tiles continues to the bedroom. But of course, this is slightly smaller compared to the master bedroom. Guys, look at those lights, the LED light to the ceiling and also the sconce light. And of course, that closet just looks good, right? From the window, you can see your neighbors, you can see the greeneries, amazing view. Now let's go to the master bedroom. When you open the master bedroom, you are also welcomed by a big window which allows for natural light to get into the property, and a big mirror there, which is key for you to have in the bedroom. When you turn this side, you see the consistency of the closets. I really like the white of the closets, which matches in both rooms, and of course also, as you noticed, it matches also with the kitchen cabinetry. The theme of the house is white, brown, and a little black more so on the fixtures. It is elegant. What do you think about this? Do you like the interior of this property? Comment down below. That's your window, very modern curtain rods. And from this particular master bedroom window, you can see the entire Mwimuto area, including churches outside there and far end the greeneries of Kitisuru. Let's go to the washroom of the master. Of course, there is a shower head and also the toilet. And then you can come this side, you see the sink. And of course, a well done mirror. The light source for your toilet and washroom. And this other side, let's look at the fixtures. You can see there the tap, and then you can see the soap holder. This other side, you can also see the fixtures, guys. Very good quality and thoughtful fixtures in the bathroom and even throughout the house. You can see the sockets. And even outside, there is amazing view. The attention to details goes at all levels. Look down at the ground level. Well done grass, electric fence, solar for external lighting, and inside the apartment, look at these elegant stairways. Just meticulous, guys. And of course, finishing with flowers at all levels.